lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back on business, baby. We're back on business, baby. I'm in a long position right now. I just pushed the button literally 10 seconds ago. Perfect setup. Seems like it's gonna reverse a little. Market is literally bloodbath. We're down 2%. Believe it or not, all this tension going all around the world is dumped the market. Are we surprised? No. But we just go with the flow here, and we received an A plus from the Borsa 321 toolkit. Also, we have the same signal on the ES, which makes it high prop. But if all this not enough, What we have is also Dow Jones A plus buy signal. So laser focused. I want to make some money today. I want to scale, but due to ATR, it's just before the market open and the ATR is 20. I want to scale this position though, but it's a crazy volatile day. I don't want to risk that much. I want to take a full TP around this zone. So let's see. Let me see who's in the house. CC, good morning. Andre, good morning. Hal Speed, good morning. Thompson, good morning. Sean, good morning. It's so good to see you guys on this beautiful day. Hope you guys are feeling well and good, because today we're gonna make some money. Good morning, Kurt. What's up? Guys, first rule is we just need to be patient if we want to make the money, right? So market literally dumped all the way down. So in the both scenarios, we do have a target. We do have a target on upside. We do have a target on downside. Market will open in 3 minutes. The tension is high across all the market. So we'll see. Thank you, Molom. Thank you, Molom. We're back on business. We're back on business. Now, I'm interested to take one more long, okay, around here. But I want to see the reaction of the market open. We have 2 minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Mario, good morning. I'm using Borsa 321 toolkit, and if you're not using, you're missing much. And guys, next month, no, sorry, not next month. This month, we're gonna release the new update with the big surprise and with the new pricing. Unfortunately, we're taking price higher because since like 1 year we didn't do any increase, so it's time for us to increase the prices. But if you want to lock in to your current price, might be a good time. Okay, so I'm so pumped to take a one more long, but it feels like a little scary to me though. Okay. Gonna be a wild ride today. Good morning, Joshua. What's up, guys? It's good to see you all. Yesterday we had like a millions of issue, but now we are here. Oh my god, this ATR is like crazy, man. Guys, don't be greedy. Today is not a good day to be a greedy. 40 seconds. Okay, I scaled the 2 contracts. That will be my final one. So let's see. 600's looking juicy. Okay. 2 contracts, 50 ticks. ATR is 19, and I believe today we will see like record ATRs around like 50, 60. I will not be surprised. So 10 seconds. Okay, the market is open, beautiful people. It's looking for a direction. We don't want to get stopped out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are we going? The limits order in the place. Come on, give me the breakout. Okay, took one partial. I want to ride the rest of it to 600s, okay? To 600s. All right. It's coming, boys. Oh, my lord. It's a 200 ticks. All the TPs got smashed. I'm still riding it. I want to see the 600s. Can we get it? Oh, my God. This chart is just go out of my screen and boom, baby. Boom, boom, boom. A plus. did the show one more time live on YouTube. Oh my god. I'm still holding a runners on my challenge account. One contract left. This is just a pure madness. Imagine you making $170 with one micro. Yeah, this is possible. All right, boys and girls. Was a beautiful trade. W in the chat. Yes, yes, yes. 930 never fails to pay. What do we have? We have the A plus. And believe it or not, whatever happens, okay? Whatever happens, when you get 3 A plus across all the indices, that trade will hit the target 80% of the time. So, it is what it is, guys. I love these W's. Let's go. Corn Shucks, what's up? Luis. The W's in the chat is the most beautiful view from my screen. Guys. Oh, that's a nice catch. Was a risky one, but look how we did it. Price beautifully respected this BC over here, and we waited patiently. I guess we bang around like a 90 points, so all trades called out for free as always. Right now, 9:32. It feels like a 1 hour when we get these massive candles. So, what's gonna happen next? That's the question. The first FVG of today is here. We have a London high. I see a clear skies. You know, guys, with this kind of days, you don't want to hold your positions like more than 10 minutes. The reason is not the setup. The reason is there might be a news that can just pop and destroy your position. Okay? So if you can do it, take partials on the way. If you can do it, just don't be greedy. Okay? Take the money and walk away. Okay, so that's a beautiful day overall. Looking for more, obviously. Nice respect for the first FVG of the day. Shall we play a continuation? I don't know. Okay. Okay. A nice rejection from the 5-minute CB over here. We lock and load it. Nice drop, nice drop. Let's see if it respects this first FVG. It's a 934. 9 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. It's not gonna respect. Are we going for the session lows? Okay, we inverted that. One contract only. Quick scalp. Wanna go in and out. 935. I think market will reverse. Stop loss above the 930. Stop loss above 930. 2 contracts right now. I'm risking the money I make, and the risk reward is quite good actually on this trade. Don't want to get any candle above 930, so let's see. Cheap trades. Oh my god, it's just popping up, backing off. 4 contracts. Let's see. What is it gonna be, Inq? What is it gonna be? Are you gonna make the new high, or you wanna push it down? Market down 1.9%. Let's see if we respect or if we just pull back. That's what we wonder right now. Laser focused on the charts. We have a small FVG here. Okay, about to close this one. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, unloading this. Okay. It's a rejection again from this 5-minute CB though. Chop. Let's see. Wow. They just want to take it higher from this point. Let's see. Borsa, can you let me know how to join the Discord? I think there should be a link in the description. It's called the Zero Lag Trading Room. Guys, I'm waiting for my next move. Okay. Don't want to rush it. 9:37. ATR is 37. Oh my lord, it's crazy, man. If we can invert this, I'm interested with the longs one more time. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. Checking all the pairs. Ping pong. Okay, we inverted. Nice. I like it. Oh. We're taking a quick partial, so let's see. I like the London high. So we'll see. We have a 0.5 of today. Need to be careful. Taking off. We have London high at the 760. It's like 100 points away. Okay. Let's see. We're playing for a continuation trade right now after we took a 1 loss and 1 win. All right, come on, baby. Give us the momentum right now. We need it. We need that. 75 ticks. We're going home. Okay. 60s testing. 60s are testing. Okay. What do you want to do? Okay. All the pairs is just like making a highs right now. We have a new BC over here. Wow, this price is just like a fast, man. It's a fast. I love it. Testing this BC over here. Testing the BC. 9 seconds for the inversion. Let's see. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess it's yeah, we inverted that. Trouble is real. Just offloading. Pot to close. 2 contracts left. It's a chop. Come on. I don't see any clear direction yet, so I'm closing it here. Okay. Waiting patiently. 940 macro is over. Let's see the reactions. Wow, the first trade was magical. Oh my god, ATR is 40. Okay, retesting this BC over here. Respect it well. Bullish order block. Man, I love how the market moves that fast. Not gonna lie. Okay, still respecting. I feel like there is a major selling pressure at the market, so okay. 9:30, retesting again. We have 8 minutes till the new macro. Dow Jones just made a new session lows. ES also about to make a new session lows. Okay, the markets are in sync. Beautifully synced. Uh, okay, the first FVG is defending the lines. 7 minutes till the new macro. Okay. Don't want to touch it yet. Don't want to touch it yet. Waiting patiently. I'm up 565 on one account and these accounts down $600. Okay. We can get that back, I guess. Let's see. 950 will show us the way, especially the 10 a.m. I don't think that we have a news today, right? Yeah, we don't have any news. That's cool. That's cool. We do have SMT right now with the ES. Interesting situation. The market feels like squeezed between this 158 points though. Okay. What is it? The next move. Okay. Waiting 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Look at this market. It's like a blood path. New session lows incoming, I guess. Session lows at the 500s. 40 points away. It seems like it very close, but man, 50 points. Okay, nice respect from. You don't know which BC will respect the price. Okay, it's like a ping pong ball right now. It's going for lows and highs and lows and highs and oh my god. That's a nice reversal. So guys, if the market want to go higher, we do have also SMT. We have a beautiful target called the London High. Let's see. Maybe we can switch this account from the other ones. We do take 2 hits. I don't want to hurt my daily drawdown. Okay, we have this account. These funded ones is cool. Okay. Yeah, it's basically the same, but I didn't took the second trades on this. Let's see. I will drop my size to 3 on this one. Specifically, the reason is I'm up on this account, and since it's a funded one, I don't want to risk it, right? So 950 magical macro. We have the daily low here, daily low, right? We have the equilibrium of the day. Both sides offer a target. Very soon we will learn what's it gonna be. Wow. I think the aggressive price is a little aggressive today. I think the problem is like this pullbacks is huge, man. Okay, let's see the reaction. I think at this kind of days, when the candle closes below the 930, it's better to wait next candle 30 seconds reaction to avoid this kind of issues. They like to do that. So it's like a downtrend right now. Let's see, 2 seconds, okay. Might be a stop hunt. Might not be a stop hunt also. So it's a strange issue right now. Whoa, it's a fast clearance. No SMT. I feel like a selling pressure in the house. Definitely. But you know, the thing is like it can just pull back and make a new session high in 1 minute. So it's hard to trust. Market down 2.1%. Macro started. The new macro is in the house. New macro in the house. Are we going for the daily low or what? I don't know. So we're trading below the 930 right now, and We're just waiting for any kind of reaction. Wow, look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Massive moves. 930. Is it gonna respect or is it just gonna ignore it? That's like a massive boy. Love it. Feels like this macro will be a reversal one. I wanna lock in. Let's see. I need a $700 more. Okay. It's crazy. $930. This is literally like crazy. Wow. Okay. Still respecting. What is this? Whoops. We don't do free trials. Sorry, man. Market chops. We watch. $950 macro market doesn't give any A plus. I can't see anything. I do want to trade, but when you don't have anything, it just doesn't make sense to force the trade, right? You just sit still, be patient, and let it come to you. Don't chase it. Tambak, we really don't do that, my friend. Sometimes we do giveaways. I suggest you join. I think the next giveaway will be on. Oh, tomorrow we do have a giveaway. You can join that. And, you can get maybe like a 1 month of free access. Who knows? Okay. Laser focused, baby. Laser focused, baby. It's not about the money though. Okay. It literally chops right now. And across, let's check the markets, shall we? The market down, NQ down 2%, ES down 2%, Dow Jones down 2%, Wix up 22%, gold is down 5%. I don't have no idea why. Silver down 10%, crude oil up 8%, Bitcoin down 3%. Wow. Tesla is now trading below 400. Seems like a good one. Okay. Yeah. A little chop, I guess, at the moment. I think we're going for the new daily low. But look at this chop. All the candles is like 40 points. Consider your risk before you took. I'm going with 2 or 1. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. candle, to be honest. Gold down 5%. The ounce is now at 5K. My goodness. Okay, 10 seconds. This candle. Guys, patience is the key, right? Okay. 9:59. Okay. Every time it does something like a new low or anything like that, it just pullbacks. Look at these pullbacks. They are big, my friend. They are very big. 10 a.m. candle, new session lows, perhaps. Watching it very close. Wow, man, this is not fair. Today is the prop firm day. 75 points. Guys, Apex is running an 85% discount. I don't know if you know, but might be a great time to lock in your new accounts using the code the Borsa 321, the best code. I love to short this rejection. There's no like solid setup, right? It's at 10 a.m. Only thing I can think of is the 10 a.m. maybe the low of the day. Other than that, I don't know. If it was a normal day, I will take a short, I guess, with this candle. 2.1% market is down. This is the candle that I want to short it so bad. Look at the respect to the 930 and 830. We do have clear skies down there. I just, I don't want to lose the money. 95 here, it's like a 50 points of a stop loss. It's crazy, huh? I will go with the one contracts. Okay, I'm going for the continuation. The target is, yeah, here. It's not the best risk reward, but we'll see. So we short, thank you. We can use actually this low over here. It's a 40 ticks, 60 ticks. I want to see the ES also follows up. I'm not touching the other accounts. Okay. Yeah, this is expected though. Nothing we can do. Let's see if it hits the target. The TP is 56. I do think that's a good one, but we'll see. Okay, 7,500 ticks, 90 ticks. Okay, about to hit. About to hit. Come on, baby. Push it lower. Yes, did the session lows. We're coming there. We're going there. Come on. Don't play with me. Don't play the games. 100 ticks, 60 ticks. I hate these pullbacks. Okay. 92. Still chops. Okay. One more time. We're trying one more time. 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Nope. New session lows with the rejection candle. Come on. 9 past 5. 10 past 5. I do think that we can deliver fast. So my stop is above here. I guess it's a 1.5 heart rate. Okay, this time I want to see that happens. I want to see that happens. 100 ticks, baby. I'm gonna close this on with the limit order. Come on. Don't make me do that. Oh my god. I don't like these weak candles. So weak. They're so weak. One more time. You wanna come? Okay. I'm gonna close this. Come on. It's a torture mode. Okay, I'm out. This hate you. How much we lost on this one? $50. That's fine. But maybe I was being greedy, but we tested this BC like 2 times and each candle was dropping further. Respected well. Big weekday, big weekday. Trouble. Yeah, I'm able to secure $500 still on this funded, but man, it's a tough one. We only get one solid trade, which is this one. Rest of the price section was not the best though. 930. Sorry guys. I thought it's like maybe it's an emergency or something. That's the reason I picked up the call. Okay, rejection again at 930. Yeah, man, this is not funny, NQ. We're not having a fun. Yeah. That's a back and forth. Look at the wick. When you have the wick bigger than the body, let me give you a golden nugget. Okay, if the wicks bigger and larger than the body itself, okay, that means chop is real. So this is based on the experience. You might also experience that before, but this is the truth. This is the real. Unfortunately. Getting a million. Who is this? Who is this guy? Oh my god, it's just trash emails everywhere. All right. Nvidia is trading at $180. Whoa. I think after this dust clears out, market will just spike up like crazy. Like there's no tomorrow. Because statistically, that's what we have seen in the past years, especially when the tensions in the world is just keep rising. Okay, patience. Brick by brick. That's the part of the game. Do you guys I saw something yesterday. You guys know that they put the Coca-Cola and the Pepsi and they, bind the people's eyes and they just like a blind test, right? So normally people goes for the Coca-Cola like 90% of the time, but they say like they choose Pepsi. So what I'm talking about is when you guys are getting funded, like when you just pass the challenge and start trading on the funded, your mindset and your behavior and the approach to chart is just like changed suddenly. So my point is, what if you don't see if you're trading on funded or the challenge? I think your payout rate will increase because in my experience, when you see that you're trading on a funded and especially when you're getting closer to payout every time you take a trade, you're getting more stressed. And I think the one of the main reason is most people is just focused on getting that first payout. So let's say the minimum is 500, you guys aiming for 500. But what if you just aim for the 3000? And when you make that 3000, you can get to 500 anyways. This simple tweaks and adjustments change a lot of things. A lot. It's not about the consistency. It's not about the strategy. It's about the mindset and your brain. Because the brain is playing a games. Why? Because the reward is the money. Why? Because the money is the biggest achievement that you can make. That's what's your brain thinking. Why? Because when you go to work, you work for money, right? It's not a charity. We do work for money. That's the truth. So brain knows this and they play the game with you. So what if you just trade blind, you don't see the account, okay? You don't see if you're trading on funded or challenge. You just keep doing it. You don't see your account size, how much money you have right now. You just keep adding it. But the rule is you can only trade with the 2 micros. And only one trade inside of 1 macros. I think with this method, one way or another, in 30 days you get the money. You get that payout. That's the truth. Because I've been there, I've seen a lot of people dealing with this issue. They trade perfectly on the challenge accounts. Sizing is sometimes you guys go oversized, but it makes sense most of the time. Okay? On the challenge, you hold your winning trades longer than your losing ones. That's the idea. But when you go unfunded, let's say you go for 5 contracts and when you see the green panel, your hands getting shaky. You know what I'm talking about. You don't let your runners just go to target. For that specific reason, easiest way to do this is like you go to TradeAway and you hide your account number. That might work. All speed. This is something I have to work on. It tend to trade so different on funded versus evil. Yeah. I think I found a way back in time and I actually still trade like that. Uh, Whenever I pass the new accounts, right? I collecting them, especially on the Apex. I purchase the new evils and copy trade all of those. Not all of those, but let's say if I buy like 10 new accounts, 5 of them I copy trade with my funded, 5 of them I go like more oversized, as you guys know, like I want to pass in 2 days. If I see A plus, I just go like 30, 20 micros. So that's the idea. You can combine, and you can do trade on the evil. You can make that account as a leader and you're funded as a follower. This is something that you can just start applying right now. And I think it will just increase. your payout numbers. Because your strategy is not changing when you pass the account. I know. What change is how you manage your current position, your current size, right? We could took this signal. You could also took, I could also took, but maybe you close your position here, right? At like a 45. But I waited for 600. And look where I closed my position. 600. Okay? Because when you go into trade, you get excited. You think that it will pull back and you close too early. But when it comes to your losing ones, you just keep holding your trades until it hits your stop. Maybe you hold it longer. You believe that it will come back. You think it will reverse. But most of the time, it's not happening. I do want to see that it happens, but we don't see that. I talk too much. So, this is another lesson. I suggest you guys take a note of this or take a screenshot of this. This is the truth, you know. So, we hit the targets on the downside. Now, I do expect to see we can hit the new daily low, but this will make the market drop like 3%. Wow, it's a crazy. Can it happen? Of course. Anything can happen in the market. So right now we're watching the price. It's outside of the macro. Maybe we see a reversal at 1020 perhaps. I'm just tape reading it right now. I'm not pushing for a trade. You know, there is a word that people use all the time. If you chase something, it never comes. But if you just escape from something, that thing is start chasing you. So with this philosophy, I don't want to take a trade today anymore, let's say, right? So now the best A plus will pop up in front of my eyes. But if my account sits just like 100 points, $100 away from the payout, that trade will never come. So that's how the market works. So 400 is might be the next ideal target. Also, we have this hourly low. I will target the 400s. The round numbers is like a psychological levels. They always work in all kind of concepts. I'm still holding to short position from the 10 past 2. Oh my god. Congrats to you. Your stop was above the 930 candle closure, I guess. That's what I should also do, but man, this was frustrated me though. But congrats to you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. No SMT across all pairs. All pairs are doing a new session loss. Tut, 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 tut. Okay, 400 is the target. Then the daily low, which is 369. We inside of the macro. Oh my god, there is no retests. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Between the first macro was awesome. The second macro is pure chop. I think the third macro will deliver to new daily low. Seems like. So we'll see. I'm short from 513. Oh my god, you guys are killing it. I love it. It's actually a nice place to short. It's a cheap short. Safe stop. Congrats. Well done, boys. Well done. I think we touched the 400s, right? Yeah. I do see a cheap trade. Okay. Do we have a suspension blocks? No. How come? So this is the idea right now. It's like a 3.8 R trade, more or less. Market down 2.5. You do best. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you. All right. I don't think that it will not reverse before it finished the job down here. Yeah, that's a very nice idea. Use that FVG. If there is inversion, just close it out. But that's a nice momentum for the downside. This macro was disaster. The 950 1010 was like a pure chop. They used the whole macro to stop out the traders. The lows, the highs, the wicks, the bodies. My goodness. $10.24. I love to see all the pairs just like moving together. I enjoy watching it. Close that 413. Okay. Okay, that's a good trade. That's 100 points of a trade, you know. That's a huge W. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, guys. Yeah, as we discussed, it's going for the full TP here. 699, 669 is going. About to make a new daily low. Those kind of positions is like a no-brainer. It's like a easy, as like a 3-2-1, right? Overall, good trades. I'm very happy with the first trade I took. The last trade that I took here, I could maybe hold it, but this macro was a little bit bad for me. Okay, we just hit the full TP over here. Congrats, those who hold it. Thank you, Halspeed. I appreciate it. Yeah, I guess we're done for the day since all the targets that we are looking for officially got hit. I really enjoyed this day. I'm red on the accounts that I started with, green on the funded ones. So overall, I'm happy. I'm not regret that I took those trades. That's what matters. Okay, beautiful. Look at this. So next target is the previous month low, and 24K will be huge. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Tomorrow we have a live session again, and tomorrow we do have a giveaway. I will announce the giveaway link before the live session starts so you guys can join if you want. Love you all. That was a beautiful live session. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't blow accounts. Take it easy. Don't size it up. Don't scale too much. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.